Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and today I'm doing the Christmas tag. I figured I might get in the Christmas spirit and share with you some of my favorite Christmas things and what I do at Christmas. So every Christmas Eve I throw a huge Christmas Eve party at my house where I host my entire family. There's about 16 of us, 12 to 16 depending, and yeah, I set up these long tables in my dining room and we all sit down to eat a really nice dinner that I plan out, and I make cookies so that everybody can take them home for Santa Claus. And I don't know, it's just we exchange gifts and it's really always a special night. I actually have not, and this is the first year that I have not finished all of my Christmas shopping. I'm usually always done and wrapped and everything by now. So YouTube has kind of thrown me for a loop this year and I'm falling behind on what I'm normally at during the Christmas season. I really don't know if we're gonna have a white Christmas. We usually don't. I think a couple years ago we did, but like last weekend we got some snow and I was shocked because we haven't been getting snow until the end of January, February, even into March we get snow. My favorite Christmas tradition is that I let each of my kids open one gift on Christmas Eve from mom and dad, and it's always a set of new pajamas, and we put our pajamas on and we bake cookies for Santa Claus. Just my favorite. Like after everyone leaves on Christmas Eve, we all change into our pajamas and we wait for Santa Claus to get here. I love real Christmas trees. I think they are gorgeous and I don't know, so unique, and they smell good, but I do not want a real Christmas tree. We have cats and they're indoor outdoor cats, and I can imagine them trying to climb the tree and like making it would be like a horrible thing. I don't know. And like now that we have the dog, I imagine him trying to like christen the tree. I don't know. A real tree just seems like a bad idea for our family. My favorite Christmas song is Silver Bells. I adore that song. Every time it comes on my Christmas Fantora, I have to sing it. I just think it's so pretty and I just really love it. I've kind of already answered this question. My whole family comes over, we eat a really delicious dinner, we exchange presents, and when they leave, we put pajamas on and watch Christmas movies. We usually stay in our pajamas all day long on Christmas Day. It's so awesome. I'll cook breakfast. We open our presents. We actually just eat leftovers for Christmas dinner, and my favorite thing is just creating a huge bowl of leftovers from the night before. I don't like, that way I don't have to like cook a big meal on Christmas Day. I just heat up what we have. What do I wish for under the tree? I love Lush, so anytime I get more bath bombs, I get really excited. So of course I love Home Alone. I feel like that is the Christmas movie and I grew up with it, and it's just, come on, it's the best. I also like Just Friends. It's not necessarily a Christmas movie, but it's set at Christmas and I find it hilarious, and we always watch it with Ryan Reynolds and Anna Faris. And the last Christmas movie is a classic, It's a Wonderful Life. It is one of my favorite classic movies and I always enjoy watching that. And that's all the questions. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and for the month of December I'm doing Vlogmas. See you tomorrow, guys!